This heavy-duty yourheey charger uses substantial copper windings and a solid metal housing, so it feels built for frequent use in garages, farms, and workshops. It supports both 12-volt and 24-volt systems and can handle everything from small motorcycle batteries to large deep-cycle units in trucks and recreational vehicles. The smart charging logic automatically detects system voltage, chooses an appropriate charge rate, and shuts itself down when the battery is full to help prevent overcharging. Its pulse repair function is especially useful for bringing neglected lead-acid batteries back into service, often recovering units that would otherwise be written off. A dedicated cold weather mode boosts current and adjusts the charging profile in low temperatures, making it very dependable for winter starts and outdoor storage. The constant current and constant voltage modes, along with an energy-saving setting, give you efficient charging control whether you need a quick boost or long-term maintenance.